So we're here talking about Live Good, but this video is not just a video for you to, feel awesome about Live Good. I'm gonna give you my honest review on Live Good, from a person, and no income is guaranteed, but a person that's doing actually average results in Live Good. Like you see here, I'm getting maybe a sale a week with Live Good, 2 sales here. Some weeks nothing. Like I don't spam, so to say. So I'm like just trying to build this, as an average person would. So I'm getting a sale here and there a week, kind of a sale a week. So like I said, you might not make no money, but the powerful thing about if you, stay active and, put work in, you should get some results with Live Good. You should make some sales with Live Good. So my honest, 2 month review with Live Good is, the products are good. The products are good, and I'm from a guy who takes a lot of natural products, stuff that, other stuff, so to say. I'm not gonna get into all that, but I take a lot of natural products. So I usually don't do a lot of store-bought, vitamins and stuff like that. But, the multivitamins I have, they're solid. They have a few extra ingredients in them, but, compared to most, they're in like a dissolvable vegetable capsule, so that's good. They have a few ingredients, but they're pretty good. I like to take those because just in case I'm just not sure if I'm getting all my minerals, I know I can have some sort of nutrition through these vitamins. I haven't tried a vitamin D, but I hear they're good. The magnesium is pretty good. I had the super greens. I think this is probably the best product for me. The super red I have too. It's decent, but I feel like this has the most benefit are the greens, because a lot of the ingredients in here are in here. So, and I haven't tried the coffee, but I have the coffee. So, and the people around me say the coffee's pretty good. I've never been a coffee drinker. I have the CBD oil. It is what it is, within CBD oil. I never really took it a lot, but I just want to try it. It's decent. And I hear the amino acids is good, and I hear the factor 4 is pretty good, but I don't eat fish, so it has fish oil in it. But I hear fish oil is really good, and I hear a lot of good reviews with this. But the biggest thing to take away from this is if we look at the learn more section and we look at the pricing. I'm in the stores a lot. This product is usually $50. If we scroll down, this is the normal price. So as far as just the membership alone, when you become a member of Live Good, you get the price, way lower. It's like when you go get your bulk items, you get a lot of bulk items for a nice price. That's what the membership offers. As you see right here, this is not just made up. If you go into the stores, if you go into health food stores, these are the prices for green. I will have to look at the ingredients and measure them up, but what Live Good is saying is their ingredients are better. I will have to actually go and get one of these products and measure what is more natural. But if you look at the prices, it's night, and So this is what you get with Live Good. So if you're someone who doesn't buy products, even better. You don't have to buy products with Live Good. You just have to have access to the membership. So eventually, if you want to buy products, you can have it. And if you want to resell Live Good, you have to become an affiliate, which is $40. But the membership is only $9.95. So upfront, you're gonna pay like $49.99 or $95. So you're gonna pay for the affiliate fee. You're gonna pay for the 1 month's membership, or you can just become a customer and just get the membership. Or if you don't want to pay monthly, you can just grab this at a retail price that is still way less, even with shipping, than in stores. So now that we have what is Live Good out the way, and we see the powerful and the services, if we come down to the pay plan, this is where things get very interesting. So just to be upfront, you're gonna make all your money up front. Most of your money is gonna be made front. I don't care what anyone says. Most of your money is gonna be made up front, because when people become an affiliate for $49.95, you're gonna earn a $25 commission. Decent amount, still kind of low, but this is what you get when you have a company who says, hey, we're not going to overprice for our products, so the money's going to be low. So you're getting a lot of money off of the affiliate fee, because that's where most of the money is at. So you're going to get 50% on your directs, 10% on your second, and you see the percentage goes down, but you're going to be able to earn a nice amount of money throughout your whole organization on affiliate fees. That's where the money is. Product sales is low. If your affiliate buys products, you make nothing from that because the products are marked low. They can't have that in the compensation plan, because in that case they will make no money off of they would make no money pretty much if they were letting you get a commission of your affiliates buying products, because the products are so cheap as it is. So imagine your affiliates buying 5 to 7 products and they had to pay commissions on that as well. But if a member comes in and just buys products as a customer, you'll get a little bit, but you mainly get money on product sales when someone buys retail. So we have a retail site. So when people buy retail, meaning they don't get the membership, they just buy it outright, that's where you get your money, and we're going to get to that. The second way you're going to get money in the matrix, and let's just be real, I've had 2 months into this matrix. I finally got my first 50 cents, because you're only going to get 2.5% on the membership. So the membership is $9.95. You're going to get 2.5%, which breaks down to around 25 cents. So if you're not a hardcore recruiter, this is going to be slow money. If you don't have a team, people don't want to say it, if you don't have an organization that's building rapid, paces, it's going to be slow money. 25 cents per member all the way down in the matrix. So if you get some spillover from your sponsor, you're going to get 25% in the matrix all the way down. When you get to bronze, you go lower. If you get there, you really want to get to diamond, which is the biggest rank, because you'll get that all the way down 15 levels. So when you're looking at this rank and people are talking about, hey, if you can live good and do no work, you can still make 2,000. That is going to take a long time. So I'm looking at the counts to become a diamond. You got to have like around over 5,000 members in your downline, and you got to have a nice amount of personals. A lot of people are building, these big downlines because they're getting in these other countries. They have networks. But to build a team of 5,000, usually in the network marketing world, takes you 5 years. So the average person that gets in and isn't attached to, some heavy hitters, it's going to take a while. So this is slow money for me, and that's just the honest truth. It's slow money. But just with everything in mind, I like Livegood just because you're going to get some good money up front. Products are cheap. So it's to me, it's like a nice second income. Side is second income. I had it number one, but it's looking like a nice second, program, second, income. So all percentages are based on a $9.95 membership. Like I told you, over a 12-month period. It's a little different if people pay for the year. I'll have to see if someone pays for the year, how they, put that into play, but it's a little bit different. So if we scroll down, you get matching bonuses. So another key thing where this can actually be a little bit better. Actually, I think the matching bonus is over the matrix, honestly, because you could bring somebody in, and they kind of put a little bit of work in up front, and say you guys they get to at least, I don't know, $500 in a matrix, which I think it could kind of be quick. So I guess they're kind of still slow money. But say they somehow get to 500, you're gonna earn $250 off of that as a matching bonus, because you get 50% on the first, and you get it some all the way down. So that could kind of become a little quicker, because as soon as they make a certain amount of money in their matrix, even if it's $5, you're going to get 50% of that. You're going to get $2 from that. So I feel like this kind of can build pretty good compared to these numbers that you're trying to get down here, because this takes thousands and thousands of members. And then you have retail commissions. So if you're just building with your retail, like you have your retail site up and you're just putting in that work, you're going to earn 50% off the difference. I think they have an example down here. So if you bring in someone and they get a product for $24 retail, and the member price would have been $16 if they were a member, the difference between that is $8. So you're going to get 50% of that $8. So you're going to make around $4 per commission on a $24 product. So you see it's kind of low, but if you had your retail site up somewhere and people are just buying 5 to 7 products, it can kind of start adding up. So when you get down here to this fifth way to get some money, this goes with if you got that retail store up and you're just selling it right out, you make $2,500 in retail, they're going to add on an extra 10,000%. So instead of getting 50% of that difference, you're going to get 60. If you do more, you're going to get 70, all the way up to, well, obviously you got to make a lot of money, but you can have pretty much all begin 100% of that. You know what I'm saying? So this is if you, which you should be, pushing this as well, because it's a product business. So you should be actually pushing retail a lot, because some people just don't want to pay monthly. So you should be pushing retail a lot as well. So this is actually a nice way to build some money as well. So, and then they have a bonus, but I pretty much just broke that down for you guys. And then the last way is going to be the diamond pool, which a lot of people are hitting diamond. This is the first network marketing I've seen where a lot of people hit the top position. Well, they have another one now, but the top position fairly quick. People are at the top rank within 90 days. Obviously, they're the ones who have the network, but you're going to get 2% split between all the diamond members of the whole company's revenue for that month. So if they make 200,000, you guys are going to split 2% of that, which that's a fat, even if you're only getting $5,000 each, that covers anything. And then you got to realize you're still getting all of this. You know what I'm saying? You're still getting all of this. So if you can come down here and even get $2,500 a month, that's almost what most people working a 9 to 5, at that regular job, that's not with a degree are getting. So there's a lot of people that have been no income guaranteed, but for the last few months, there's the pool has been where people are getting around 30,000, a month. So obviously the more diamonds, the more it goes down, unless the company's revenue goes up. So that's pretty much what I feel about Livegood. I feel like it's a nice second. Me personally, I have a number one that I think I'm going to keep it number one. Because this is a product network marketing. So we know how it goes with product, especially health and wellness. Some people are going to make it where they think they don't need it. So it's going to be a little harder to push the move, but it's going to be a little harder to push the products, because a lot of people just want to fight the fact how they need health and wellness. They want to fight it. They just want to, I don't need that. But if you can get this thing going, just in personal referrals, I'll say the focus there. So don't try to come here and just not be able to get customers and reps. Just try to get reps. That's the fun of network marketing. Get reps, build a team. If you could do that in the next 90 days, you're going to be good. So I'm going to leave my link below. How to get started with Livegood. $40 if you want to become affiliate. It's going to be $49.95, and then $9.95 after that every single month, and that's it. So you're going to be able to have a business for $9, and you're going to be able to make $25 in commissions. And like I said, I'm going to show you everything I know, especially my YouTube, how I do short form videos. So like I said, part-time, I've been able to do over almost $200, if not $200 with Livegood in the last 2 months. So that's pretty good for me not really pushing this thing like I can push it. But have a good one. Hope you enjoy it.